Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Anchor in Splatoon 3. An Anchor player is crucial for team success, providing a stable base and controlling vital map areas. Your main goal is to hold ground, support your teammates, and prevent enemy advances. This role demands excellent map awareness and smart positioning to maximize your impact. Let's dive into the specifics of becoming a formidable anchor. Choosing the right weapon and gear is fundamental for an effective anchor. Heavyweight weapons such as splatlings or chargers excel at controlling space and applying pressure from a distance. For gear, prioritize abilities that boost your survivability, like Defense Up, or improve your special weapon usage, such as Special Charge Up. These choices will significantly enhance your ability to hold your ground and support your team. Strategic positioning is the cornerstone of anchoring. You need to establish a strong defensive line, typically around the middle of the map or near the objective. Utilize high ground and available cover to gain superior sightlines and protect yourself from incoming fire. Always keep an eye on your map to track enemy positions and anticipate their pushes, allowing you to react quickly and maintain control. As an anchor, your role extends to actively supporting your team. Provide consistent cover fire, ink paths for your teammates to advance, and be ready to use your special weapon at critical moments to either push an objective or defend against an enemy assault. Remember, a well-timed special can completely shift the momentum of a match. Check the description for a link to these awesome meal prep containers and other great deals. Your presence is vital for maintaining map control and securing victories.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.